Finding the right PC case is essential for building a powerful and aesthetically pleasing computer system. Lian Li is a renowned name in the industry, known for crafting high-quality cases that combine style, functionality, and durability. In this video, we'll explore the best Lian Li PC cases for 2024, each offering unique features and exceptional performance. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a PC enthusiast, there's a Lian Li case that's perfect for your needs. Number 1. Lian Li LANCOOL 216 E-ATX case. Starting our list is the Lian Li LANCOOL 216, a standard E-ATX case that balances functionality with aesthetics. One of its most striking features is the integrated RGB lighting system, which includes customizable RGB fans and LED strips. This allows users to personalize the case's appearance to match their build's theme or their room's lighting. The LANCOOL 216 is designed with optimal airflow in mind. It features mesh panels on the front and top, ensuring that your components receive ample ventilation and stay cool even during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The case is equipped with 3 pre-installed 140mm fans that provide excellent airflow and cooling performance. The interior of the LANCOOL 216 is spacious, allowing for easy installation of high-performance GPUs and various cooling solutions, including liquid cooling setups. The case's build quality is top-notch, with a sturdy steel frame that ensures durability. The mesh panels are made from high-quality material that enhances airflow while being easy to clean. Additional features include cable management options and ample space for expansion, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of builds. The LANCOOL 216's combination of RGB lighting, effective cooling, and durable construction makes it a top pick for anyone looking to build a powerful and visually impressive system in 2024.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Lian Li 11 Dynamic EVO E-ATX case. The Lian Li 11 Dynamic EVO is a popular E-ATX case known for its exceptional design and functionality. Its standard feature is the tempered glass panels on the front, side, and top, which provide a clear view of your internal components and showcase your build's aesthetic. The case's sleek, modern design is complemented by its USB Type-C port, offering modern connectivity and faster data transfer speeds. The O11 Dynamic EVO is designed to support a wide range of cooling options. It features multiple mounting points for radiators and fans, allowing for extensive liquid cooling setups or high airflow configurations. The case's modular design means you can customize the layout to suit your cooling needs and optimize airflow. Build quality is another highlight of the O11 Dynamic EVO. The combination of aluminum and tempered glass provides a sturdy and stylish construction. The case is engineered to be both durable and visually appealing, with attention to detail in its design and materials. Inside, the O11 Dynamic EVO offers ample space for high-performance components and easy cable management. The case's thoughtful design and versatile cooling options make it an excellent choice for users who want a high-end, customizable case for their 2024 builds. Number 3. Lian Li LANCOOL E-ATX case. The Lian Li LANCOOL is a feature-packed E-ATX case that excels in both performance and aesthetics. It comes equipped with RGB lighting, including fans and LED strips, which can be synchronized to create a stunning visual effect. The hinged glass doors are a practical addition, allowing easy access to your components for maintenance and upgrades. Cooling is a major focus of the LANCOOL. The case includes 4 pre-installed 140mm fans, which provide excellent airflow and cooling performance. The interior is designed to accommodate large GPUs and a variety of cooling solutions, including multiple radiators and fan mounts. The LANCOOL's build quality is impressive, featuring a robust steel frame and high-quality glass that ensures durability. The case's design also includes effective cable management options and ample space for expansion, making it a versatile choice for different builds. With its combination of effective cooling, stylish RGB lighting, and user-friendly features, the LANCOOL is an excellent option for those seeking a high-performance case that delivers on both functionality and visual appeal. It's a solid choice for building a powerful and attractive system in 2024. Number 4. Lian Li O11 Dynamic EVO XL Full Tower Case. The Lian Li O11 Dynamic EVO XL is a full tower case that offers ample space and top-tier cooling capabilities. Its sleek black design is complemented by tempered glass panels on the front, side, and top, which provide a full view of your internal components and enhance the case's modern aesthetic. One of the standout features of the O11 Dynamic EVO XL is its support for extensive cooling options. The case can accommodate multiple radiators and fans, allowing for highly effective liquid cooling setups. Its spacious interior provides plenty of room for high-performance hardware, including large GPGAs and multiple storage drives. The build quality of the O11 Dynamic EVO XL is exceptional, with a combination of aluminum and glass that ensures both durability and style. The case's modular design allows for easy customization and expansion, making it suitable for a wide range of builds. Additional features include efficient cable management options and a well-thought-out layout that ensures optimal airflow. The O11 Dynamic EVO XL's impressive cooling capabilities, generous space, and stylish design make it a top choice for users who need a high-performance full tower case in 2024. Number 5. Lian Li MES RGB ATX Case. The Lian Li MES RGB is a versatile ATX case known for its excellent airflow and customizable RGB lighting. Its mesh front panel enhances ventilation, ensuring that your components stay cool even during demanding tasks. The case is equipped with several pre-installed fans, providing effective cooling right out of the box. The LANCOOL MES RGB features a spacious interior that supports a variety of cooling solutions, including large radiators and extensive fan setups. The case's build quality is robust, with a durable steel frame and high-quality mesh that ensures longevity and performance. The case also includes thoughtful design elements such as cable management options and tool-free drive installation, making it easy to build and maintain your system. The LANCOOL MES RGB combines effective cooling with customizable lighting and a user-friendly design, making it a great choice for users who want a high-performance case with a modern look in 2024. Number 6. Lian Li Black ATX Case. The Lian Li ATOOL Black is a sleek and functional ATX case that offers excellent cooling and performance. It comes with four 140mm PWM fans that provide efficient airflow, keeping your components cool during intense gaming or heavy workloads. The case features a clean black design with a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase your build while ensuring durability. The LANCOOL Black offers a spacious interior that supports a range of cooling solutions, including large radiators and extensive fan setups. The build quality is solid, with a sturdy steel frame and high-quality glass that ensures long-lasting performance. The case's design includes effective cable management options and ample space for expansion, making it a versatile choice for different builds. With its effective cooling, stylish design, and reliable build quality, the LANCOOL Black is an excellent option for users who need a high-performance ATX case that combines functionality with visual appeal. It's a top pick for building a powerful and attractive system in 2024. Number 7. Lian Li O11D RGB EVO RGB White ATX Case. The Lian Li O11D RGB EVO is a mid-tower case that stands out with its striking white design and customizable RGB lighting. The case features a sleek white finish with RGB accents that add a vibrant touch to your build. The tempered glass panels on the front and side provide a clear view of your internal components, enhancing the case's modern aesthetic. The 011 DERGBW EVO offers a spacious interior that supports a range of cooling solutions, including multiple radiators and fan mounts. The build quality is exceptional, with a combination of aluminum and glass that ensures both durability and elegance. The case's RGB lighting can be customized to match your build's theme, adding a personalized touch. The case also includes efficient cable management options and a well-thought-out layout that ensures optimal airflow. With its impressive lighting, ample space, and robust construction, the Lian Li 11 DERGBW EVO is a top choice for mid-tower builds in 2024. It's perfect for users who want a case that delivers on both performance and aesthetics. That concludes our review of the best Lian Li PC cases for 2024. Each of these cases offers unique features, excellent build quality, and stylish designs, making them ideal choices for your next PC build. Whether you're looking for exceptional cooling, modern aesthetics, or ample space, there's a Lian Li case that meets your needs. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights.